All right, everybody, here is your Core Bytes number 64. So we're completing the factor pairs for 70. So we know that any number times itself is the same number. So 1 times 70 is 70. 2 times 35 is 70. 5 times 14 is 70. And then 7 times 10 is 70. So guys, make sure you practice your multiplication so you can remember some of those. Find the sum of 495 and 1,400. So what that means is, sum means we have to add them together. So if you have 1,400 and you add 495, okay, so let me change colors for you. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 9 plus 0 is 9, 4 plus 4 is 8, and then 1 plus nothing is 1. So the answer would be 1,895. For the next one, write the number to complete the pattern of equivalent fractions. So once again, the top numbers are going up by 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so you're just going up by 5 for the denominator. All right, for the other one, you're going to order the units from least to greatest with measurement. So we have feet, inches, yards, and miles. So from the smallest to the largest, so you would have inches. And then you would have feet. Then you would have the yard, and that would be FT. And then, of course, you would have the mile. Okay? And then the last one, what type of angle is represented in the left corner of the house? So here, if you look really closely, you can see an angle right there. And so because it is smaller than a right angle, and it's less than a line, which would be, a full 180, so this would be, because it's less than 90, it would be an acute angle, and we say, oh, it's so cute, right? All right, make your changes to yours.